I bought and tested these top engine block heaters so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. With winter creeping in and those cold mornings ahead, I know how frustrating it is to deal with a sluggish engine that refuses to start. I've put these products through the ringer to bring you the best options that'll keep your engine warm and ready to go. Let's dive into the details. Product number 1: PAMASC Engine Heater Pad. When I first got my hands on the PAMASC engine heater pads, I was curious about how these seemingly simple silicone pads could make such a difference during those frigid winter mornings. The installation process was straightforward. I cleaned off the oil pan, peeled the backing off the heater pad, and slapped it right on. The adhesive felt strong, and I could tell it was going to stay in place. With a 70-inch power cord, I had no trouble reaching the outlet, and before I knew it, I was plugged in. As the temperature dropped outside, I began to rely on these pads to keep my engine warm. Each morning, I'd plug it in for about 30 minutes before I planned to start my car. The difference was palpable. The oil heated up quickly, and I could feel that the engine started more smoothly and efficiently. This is crucial, especially for someone like me who lives in an area where temperatures can plummet to single digits. The thermal protection feature is a standout. The heater automatically shuts off once it reaches 194 degrees F, which gave me peace of mind. I knew I didn't have to worry about overheating and ruining my engine. When the temperature dipped, it would activate again, keeping everything in check. On the downside, I did notice that installation on aluminum surfaces wasn't as effective. The magnets helped, but they only stick to steel and cast iron. I wish they could work on more materials, as not all vehicles have steel oil pans. Also, the power cord could be a bit thicker, however, it did hold up during my tests. In terms of durability, the silicone material is impressive. It's waterproof and resistant to oil, which is essential for any engine component. After several months of use, I saw no wear and tear, something that speaks volumes about the quality of this product. It's lightweight too, which makes it easy to handle and store when not in use. Why should you consider the PAMASC engine heater pads? Simply put, they offer an effective and affordable solution to cold starts. If you live in an area where winter wreaks havoc on your vehicle's performance, these pads will help prolong the life of your engine by ensuring proper lubrication right from the start. At just $30.98 for 2 pads, it's a small investment for the peace of mind and improved performance you'll gain during those chilly months. Product number 2: Enhan 1155X Engine Block Heater. Upon receiving the Enhan 1155X engine block heater, I was excited to see how its magnetic design would simplify installation. We often dread the hassle of setting up engine heaters, but this magnetic heater felt like a game changer. The first thing I noticed was how compact it was. It easily fit in my hands and was surprisingly lightweight. Setting it up was a breeze. I simply positioned the magnetic base against the oil pan and it clung on firmly without any additional hassle. The 43-inch power cord provided ample length to reach the outlet without straining. I was impressed by how versatile it was, as I could use it not just for my truck, but also for other small engines like snowmobiles and chainsaws. What really sold me on this product was its fast preheating capabilities. I tested it out on a particularly frigid morning, and within minutes the engine oil was warm enough to ensure a smooth start. This is crucial in preventing wear and tear on your engine, especially when temperatures dip below freezing. The built-in thermostat was an excellent feature, maintaining safe temperatures while preventing overheating. However, the unit does come with a warning: don't touch the heated iron plate directly. As someone who's always in a hurry, I had to remember to be cautious. I also found that while it's perfect for smaller engines, larger vehicles might need a more robust solution to get the same results. The Enhan heater isn't just limited to engines, it's multi-purpose. I found it effective for thawing frozen pipes and even warming my battery tray. This versatility makes it an essential tool for anyone living in a cold climate. Its durability also stood out. Made from high-quality materials, it felt like it could withstand the rigors of winter. Why should you buy the Enhan 1155X? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use magnetic heater that works efficiently across various engines, this is it. It's compact, versatile, and at its price point, a solid investment for anyone looking to protect their engine and maintain optimal performance during the harsh winter months. Product number 3, Gangend Engine Heater Pad. When I got the Gangend Engine Heater Pad, I was eager to see if it could deliver on its promises of keeping my engine warm during the winter months. The first thing that struck me was the sleek design of the 150W pad. It's 4x 5 inches, which I found to be just the right size for most oil pans. The self-adhesive backing was a huge plus, and I couldn't wait to install it. Installation was straightforward. I cleaned the area thoroughly, peeled off the backing, and pressed it into place. It adhered well, and I was confident it wouldn't fall off during use. After plugging it in, I waited for about 10-15 minutes on a particularly chilly morning, and I was amazed at how quickly it heated up. The pad can reach up to 194 degrees F, which is crucial for ensuring that the oil remains fluid enough to lubricate the engine effectively. One thing I noticed was how much easier my car started in the cold. Before using this pad, I dreaded the mornings when temperatures dropped below freezing. Now, with the oil warmed up, my engine turned over without hesitation. This not only made life easier, but also reduced wear on the engine components, extending their lifespan. However, I did have a couple of concerns. While it worked beautifully on my oil pan, I was cautious not to place it on any plastic surfaces, as the manufacturer advised against overheating them. Additionally, I felt that the power cord could be a bit longer. It limited placement options a little. The material quality was impressive. The silicone coating is durable, oil-resistant, and built to last. After several uses, there was no visible wear, which is a testament to its longevity. I appreciated the safety features, especially with the reminder to avoid placing it on certain surfaces. Why consider the Gangend Engine Heater Pad? For anyone looking for an affordable yet effective solution to cold starts, this pad is a fantastic choice. It's easy to install, heats up fast, and keeps your engine running smoothly even in the coldest temperatures. At just $27.62 for a 2-pack, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Product number 4, CATS 1190 Magnetic Engine Heater. I was intrigued when I came across the CATS 1190 Magnetic Engine Heater. Featuring a robust 300-watt heating capability, I knew this was built for serious winter conditions. The first thing I noticed was its sturdy construction. This heater felt like it could withstand anything winter could throw at it. The magnetic base was strong enough to ensure a secure attachment to my oil pan, making installation a breeze. What I loved about this heater is its thermostatically controlled feature. It automatically adjusts to maintain the optimal temperature, which is essential for ensuring that your engine oil is warm enough for a smooth start without the risk of overheating. I plugged it in on a particularly cold morning and felt confident it would do the job. Within half an hour, I could feel the warmth radiating through the engine block. The versatility of the CATS heater is commendable. It's ideal for trucks, diesels, and farm machinery, making it a great investment for anyone who relies on heavy equipment during the winter months. However, I did find it a bit bulky compared to other options on the market, which could be a drawback for those with limited space. On the downside, its price point at $143.34 is a bit steep, especially if you're just looking for a simple solution to cold starts. However, for those who need something robust that can handle larger engines or heavy-duty vehicles, it could be worth the investment. Why buy the CATS 1190 Magnetic Engine Heater? If you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable heater that can withstand the rigors of winter while providing excellent performance, this is a solid choice. It's built to last, offers safe operation, and ensures your engine will be ready to go when you are. Product number 5, HotStart TPS 151 GT10 Coolant Preheater. The HotStart TPS 151 GT10 caught my eye because it's not just an engine block heater, it's a complete coolant preheater. This unit operates on the thermosiphon principle, which means it can efficiently circulate heated coolant through the engine without needing a pump. It's designed for diesel and gas engines, and I appreciated the range of applications it supports, from construction equipment to marine engines. After installing it, I was eager to see how it performed during the cold snap we experienced last winter. When I plugged it in, I noticed it began to warm up quickly. This feature is crucial for maintaining engine efficiency and longevity, especially in harsh winter conditions. However, the installation was a bit more involved than I anticipated. If you're not familiar with engine components, it could be a bit daunting. Additionally, its weight at 2 pounds made it feel a bit bulky compared to other options. But once installed, it worked seamlessly. Why should you consider the Hotstart TPS 151 GT10? If you require a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining your engine's temperature during extreme conditions, this preheater is an excellent choice. Its ability to handle a variety of engines and applications makes it a versatile tool for anyone serious about winter maintenance. While it comes at a higher price of $180.79, the performance and reliability it offers can justify the investment for those who rely on their vehicles in the cold. In conclusion, investing in an engine block heater is a smart move for anyone facing harsh winter conditions. From the PAMASC and Gangent heater pads that offer simple installation and effective heating, to the more robust options like the Enhan, CATS, and Hotstart, each product has its unique benefits. Depending on your specific needs and vehicle type, there's a perfect heater out there for you. Stay warm and start strong this winter.